Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene attached with a triple bonded carbon. You are reacting with sodamide and water, which is deuterated one. Then the next step you are reacting with palladium barium sulfate and deuterium. Here hydrogens are deuterated. Here you have to find what will be the final product. Here answer lies in your basic understanding and mechanism. First step you are reacting with sodamide. Everybody imagine reduction will happen, you have transalkene, but it won't be happen because the hydrogen here is acidic. It's sp3 hybridized carbon, it is acidic, so it leaves the H plus easily. So one positive charge replaced by another positive charge, which is sodium. Then next step we are reacting with D3O+, which is heavy water acidified with that. Here Na replaced with D, so deuteration happen again. Then palladium barium sulfate and deuterium, which is called Lindlar Catalyst. The hydrogen replaced with deuterium here. Here Lindlar Catalyst reduced the triple bond to the double bond, the reduction happened, but the double bond reduced in the specific way, which is in the cis form. This is a very important fact. Here cis addition of deuterium is happened because metal reduction occurs in the same space. Here the concept you have to learn here is acetylenic hydrogen always acidic, it won't undergo metal reduction. Second thing is Lindlar Catalyst. Lindlar Catalyst palladium barium sulfate, it involves cis reduction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.